Hello everyone, welcome you all in another interesting art and craft videos. Here I have taken a circle shaped paper and I have cut it like this. Then another circle shaped paper, I'm going to make this chick which is coming out of the egg. Now let's proceed with this craft. For this you need straw pipes. You have to cut and you have to paste these pipes in this way and this wonderful swing is ready. Now let's see what I'm going to create this time. For this I have drawn these eyes on the paper and I have taken a polythene glove and I'm going to paste it like this, and this toy is ready. Now let's proceed with another craft. Here I have taken a floral print paper and I'm going to fold it like this. From all the sides you have to fold, then open it and fold it inward like this, and from another side also, and this box is ready.